Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. Just showing you a few tips I use to freshen up my mattress. Firstly, you'll need a steamer just like this. This is an old earlex 15-year-old model. Then I just get a wallpaper stripper that comes with it. Now I find this wide head's really handy for sweeping across the bed. Get it, and then tip 3: get an old white towel. Once you've done that, careful of the steam. Use gloves. Now the towel is good for absorbing any drips of steam. And so what I do is I work it across the bed from either right to left or left to right, whichever side suits. Hold it down for a few seconds. Now it has to be over a certain temperature to kill the bugs and the germs. Anything less than that, it'll just make the matter a lot worse, because you know germs breed in a certain temperature but they die after a certain temperature. I can't remember what it is. It's over 100 or something. Now you can apply this method at the side. Now the reason I'm using it again, this method, is because it was really good at absorbing the drips, so your mattress isn't damp and it dries a lot quicker. And then you just work it along there, particularly the middle area where two people tend to be in the night. Again, this is just good for keeping the mattress nice. This can work on all types of mattresses, from £1,000 right down to £100. Doesn't make any difference. It won't destroy anything. It won't affect anything or damage anything. All it's doing is killing the germs and killing the bugs. Now it won't get anything out, like say I know blood or stuff like that. You'll need a separate something to get rid of that. But it will freshen up, and that's all I do. Simple as that. Dead easy. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to finish this off. Hope you like these type of videos. Why not subscribe, and we'll see you then.